What's up, guys? Ben Buckwalter here with Law Pro Nation, and we just wrapped up filming some ads for one of our clients, Zach Meeks. Zach, you've been with Law Pro Nation for nearly a year now. Could you just share with us, what's been your experience with hiring Law Pro Nation as a marketing company for your firm?
Gladly. Let me say, Ben, thanks for everything you do for my law firm, you and your team. Y'all have been fantastic. I just started my firm back in January of 2022. I think Ben reached out to me July-ish of 2022, and I was so skeptical at first. And the reason why is because I had worked with other lead gen firms. You feel like you're scammed, frankly. You pay all this money and you get junk leads, the numbers don't even work, unusable leads. And so I was very skeptical. Ben kept emailing me saying, Zach, you need to give us a try. And so I just said, you know what? I've given all these other companies a try. At a minimum, I could give Ben a month, let it go from there. And then at that point, he'd probably stop calling me if it didn't work. So I gave it a try. And I must say, Law Pro Nation's different than everyone else. I couldn't be any happier really with the experience with Law Pro Nation. Their whole team is so helpful. Customer service is of utmost importance to them. I think Ben is authentic. I think he cares about his clients. He cares about the growth of his clients. After that 30-day period, I was so impressed with the quality of service my firm was getting. I decided to do another 3-month contract with Ben and Law Pro Nation. And I can tell you, it's been a game changer for my practice. And I am so thankful that I made the decision to listen to Ben and give him a try.